Hello, Lulu here. Welcome to Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions, where we showcase the most beautiful and inspiring home interiors from around the world. Today we are going to take a tour inside of a Scandinavian style apartment that features a sublime design in pastel colors. This apartment is bright and airy with an open space that brings living, dining and kitchen together. It has two bedrooms, one kid's room, and a small enclosed balcony. Everything is in white, from the entrance to the bathroom, with pastel color accents that add warmth and charm. Let's take a look. As we enter the apartment, we are greeted by a bright and spacious hallway with a built-in closet that provide ample storage space. On the wall, we can see some tasteful decorative accessories, such as ceramic vases, glass vases with flowers, mirrors, and paintings. The floor is covered with light-colored laminate flooring that runs throughout the apartment, creating a sense of continuity and harmony. The living area is cozy and inviting with a large window that lets in plenty of natural light. The sofa is a light gray color with decorative pillows that add some contrast and interest. One of them is a bright yellow, another one has a butterfly pattern which matches the two black and white pictures above the sofa. Instead of an area rug, there is a faux zebra hide that adds some textures and personality to the space. The dining table is also white with 6 ghost chairs that have a transparent and minimalist design. The chairs are covered with faux fur, which makes them more comfortable and cozier. On the table there is a white glass vase with some white flowers and white candle holders. The kitchen is one-wall design with white cabinets, white backsplash, black countertop, and white appliances. The kitchen is sleek and modern with a minimalist and functional style. The black countertop creates a nice contrast with the white cabinets, and the white backsplash reflects the light and makes the space look bigger. The kitchen is equipped with everything you need, such as a stove, an oven, a microwave, a fridge, sink, and a dishwasher. The balcony is a small and enclosed space with a glass door that connects it to the living area. The balcony has a blue carpet floor, a white ceiling, and a black railing. It has a small table and 2 rattan chairs where you can enjoy a cup of coffee or a glass of wine while admiring the view of the city. The bedroom is a small but cozy space with a queen-size bed that has a white headboard and white bedding. The bed is flanked by two tiny white nightstands with small table lamps on them. The window has a white curtain that filters the light and creates a soft and romantic atmosphere. The bedroom is simple and elegant with a soothing and relaxing vibe. Here you can see several images from the other bedroom. The kids' room is a charming and adorable space with a white color palette and some pastel accents. The room has a crib, a toddler bed, a dresser, a bookcase, and a toy chest. The room is fun and playful space where the kid can sleep, play, and learn. The bathroom is a small and white space with a laundry area included. The bathroom has a white vanity, a white sink, a white toilet and a white shower, a white washing machine and a white dryer. The bathroom is clean and tidy with some storage baskets and shelves that keep everything organized. The bathroom has a window that lets in some natural light and ventilation. The bathroom is a practical and efficient space. This concludes our tour of the Scandinavian style apartment that features a sublime design in pastel colors. This apartment is a perfect example of how you can create a beautiful and comfortable home with a simple and minimalist style. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interior design solutions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.